or the VP. You lied to me.
Welcome back to my channel. So you know your girl Brittany is here, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my foundation. So guys, if you want to see how I do that, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments down in that comment section, letting your girl know what you do. We're gonna start off by prepping the face, cleaning off our face. After you clean your face, you want to apply your moisturizer. After you moisturize, you wanna prime. So for today, we're gonna use the Milani Prime Perfection Face Primer, hydrating and pore minimizing. After priming your face, you want to let it sit into the skin for a bit. Then you gotta color correct your face. Reason being why you color correct, to even out your skin tone, so that when you put on the foundation, you don't see your skin peeping through the foundation, if you understand what I mean. So for today, to color correct my face, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Revolution concealer. After I apply my concealer, you want to take the foundation of your choice. After applying your foundation, what you want to do, you want to use you can use a beauty blender or a foundation brush. So for today, I'm gonna use my foundation brush. I'm gonna take my Mario Badescu spray. To spray my face before I blend it out, so that it blends more easily into the skin. When blending out your foundation, what you want to do, you want to tap and not swipe. So you want to tap, okay? If your brush have a lot more foundation, what you want to do is get something and wipe it like this. Wipe the excess off. After you set your face, you want to contour your face. So you're going to use a darker powder to just bronze up and contour your skin. Pop my lashes on and be right back. If you want to see how I apply my falsies, all you gotta do is just click the link above to watch that full tutorial. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to get all my to get notified when it go posted. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.